Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by clarifying what this system must deliver and why it matters to your margins. Once you name the core outcomes, revenue, speed, customer experience, you inventory people, tools, and data so you know what already exists. Make a one-page checklist of gaps, and then pick a single pilot process to systematize. Keep it to 2 or 3 repeatable tasks. Starting small reduces risk and reveals real constraints, so act now and document each decision as you proceed. You map the process end to end, marking inputs, decision points, and outputs so nothing hides between silos. Then define who does what. Assign a single owner, set SLAs, and document handoffs. Once done, add a RASI if needed. Select tools that match scale, low-code, forms, or current apps, and design clean data handoffs to avoid duplicate work. Test each step with real users, iterate quickly, and capture exceptions as rules rather than hope they won't recur. You launch the pilot with a small, representative team and collect both quantitative KPIs and qualitative notes. Make sure to measure cycle time, errors, and customer satisfaction so you can compare. Once the pilot runs, update SOPs and train remaining staff. Scale incrementally and schedule weekly reviews for the first 30 days to catch issues early. If things go wrong, stop new onboarding, roll back to the known good state, address root cause, and resume only after verification to prevent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.